June 30th, 1908. The remote Siberian wilderness. The sky splits open.
An explosion 1,000 times more powerful than the bomb on Hiroshima.
It flattened 80 million trees over 2,000 square kilometers. But when investigators finally arrived, they found nothing. No impact crater.
No fragments. Just a dead forest pointing away from a phantom epicenter.
Was it a comet that vaporized? A rogue black hole passing through Earth? Or something else entirely? The largest impact event in recorded history left no trace of its weapon. The Tunguska Event remains a chilling reminder of the cosmic forces that brush past our world, unseen. What mystery should we uncover next? Subscribe.